Now for a new segment on Sheridan Now. Gabrielle Agulleria has some cooking tips for you, and they're cheap and easy meals for on campus.
Hi Sheridan, I'm your host Gabrielle Agulleria, and welcome to Campus Cooking, where I show you how to make some delicious food. On this episode, I'm going to show you how to make some beautiful spinach dip.
The ingredients you'll need for this dish are marbled cheese, garlic powder, chopped spinach, cream cheese, red pepper, white onion, and naan bread. To start, you're going to want to shred your marbled cheese into a separate bowl. We're then going to put our cream cheese, shredded cheese, and garlic powder into our bowl. Now we can chop our red pepper and onion into finely chopped pieces and add them to our mix. We can also add our spinach into the bowl and begin mixing. Once you're satisfied with your mix and the taste of the dip, you can put it into an oven-safe bowl. There's lots of things you can eat with your dip. I'll be using naan bread with mine. To make your dish look fancy, you can cut them up into triangles. After you cut up your bread, your work is complete.
There you have it. That's how you make a spinach dip. For Campus Cooking, I'm Gabriella Agulleria.